Hey! My name's Danny and this is Annie and this is our daughter, and we are from a project called We Be Kids, where we create short films that help you connect with nature and boost your well-being. And we're working with Woodlands to put a series of videos together that you and your family can do in the woods. Today we are going to show you how we can make some nature looms. In order to make your natural loom, you're going to need 4 sticks. We're going to take these 4 sticks, some string, some scissors, use a square lashing and transform them all into a frame just like this. I'm going to take the twine, I'm going to keep my hand close to the working end. I'm going to go under the horizontal piece, over the vertical piece, under the horizontal, over the vertical. And I'm going to keep that nice and tight as I do it. And we're going to do that 3 times. Once we've done it 3 times, we're going to do something that's called frapping, and that holds the lashing together. And we just go the opposite round, and we turn and pull. Wrap it around the lash and tightening it each time. And we're just going to tie an overhand knot.
Along with your frame, you're also going to need to collect some other things. We took a walk through the woods and along the woodland edges to collect these natural items.
In order to complete making your loom, you're going to need about 2 meters of twine.
It's really important that you're tied on tightly here and that you have good tension. So you're going to hold onto your twine, hold that nice and strong as you pull around the frame once, and you are going to overlap on top of where you are holding. So if I can just move my finger there so you can see, I'm pulling it nice and tight, but I want to overlap on top. This is going to try and hold this piece nice and firm and in place. And then you're going to do that a second time all the way around just to hold it nice and tightly where it needs to be on the frame before you start going across to make your loom to the other side here of the frame. And on the other side, you again are going to wrap twice. You're going to wrap once below the line that you've just created and once above the line. So basically either side. And you're going to continue that pattern all the way up your frame. With your loom ready to go, you're going to need to choose some natural materials, and we're going to begin to weave. To weave, we need to go under and over in a pattern going along our loom. Under and then over, pulling our item through as we go. So which one did we start with last time?
Under.
Okay, so this time we need to start with?
Over.
Awesome. So over, under.
Over.
Once your weaving is more or less complete, you've gone from one side to the other and you've filled them, you can start to look further down the loom and see if there are areas where you would like to weave in other natural items. Perhaps some wild flowers like we have, or berries, or leaves. And so here we have our completed autumn loom made with lots of beautiful natural items. And we hope you've enjoyed this resource and that we see you again sometime soon. Take care.